We love our breakfast smoothies. Come, I'll show you how I make ours with seasonal fruits today. Today I'm using fresh mangoes, but you can use fruits of your choice. Also, I'm using homemade health mix powder or porridge powder. In Tamil we call this as sattu maavu. You can use protein powder of your choice or you can skip this altogether. And now let's get started. So 2 cups of almond milk. You can use any milk of your choice. 1 teaspoon chia seeds. 1 tablespoon hemp seeds. 2 tablespoons porridge powder. You can use any protein powder of your choice. And 2 tablespoon almond butter. It's definitely a protein rich smoothie. So here I have 3 mangoes that I roughly chopped, approximately 350 grams, and in cups it was 2.5 cups. That's it. I'm gonna blend everything together. Here you go, the smoothie is ready. For the variations and other alternatives, you can check my blog post, and that's it. I hope you like this. I have more smoothie recipes on my blog at vidhyashomecooking.com. Do check it out. Thank you.